Maximizing monetization on YouTube is a goal for many creators, as it allows them to make a living from their passion and hard work. While there are no guarantees when it comes to earning money on YouTube, there are steps you can take to increase your chances of success. Here are a few tips for maximizing monetization on YouTube. Create high-quality content. The first step to monetizing your YouTube channel is to create content that your audience will enjoy. This means producing videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. It also means investing in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera and microphone, to produce professional-looking videos. Engage with your audience. Building a strong community of loyal followers is key to monetizing your YouTube channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback, and consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to connect with your viewers. Utilize YouTube's monetization options. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube videos, including through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To monetize your videos, you'll need to enable monetization in your YouTube account and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. You'll also need to meet certain eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions. Properly optimizing your video titles, tags, and descriptions can help your videos rank higher in search results and increase their visibility. Use relevant and descriptive titles and tags, and write a compelling description that includes relevant keywords. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can help expose your channel to a new audience and can also lead to monetization opportunities. Consider reaching out to other creators in your niche to discuss potential collaboration ideas. Consider joining a network. Joining a network, such as a multi-channel network, MCN, or a talent agency, can provide you with additional resources and support to help monetize your YouTube channel. Keep in mind that joining a network often means giving up a percentage of your revenue, so it's important to do your research and choose a reputable network. Diversify your revenue streams. Don't rely on just one monetization method to make money on YouTube. Consider diversifying your revenue streams by using multiple monetization options and exploring opportunities outside of YouTube, such as merchandise sales or brand partnerships. In conclusion, maximizing monetization on YouTube requires a combination of high-quality content, engagement with your audience, and utilizing YouTube's monetization options. It's also important to optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions, collaborate with other creators, and diversify your revenue streams. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of monetizing your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a career.